Good afternoon. This is Sloan Clark, Reference and Instruction Librarian at Flipper Library, and welcome to Learn. This is an instructional video on Learn, Library and Information Resources Network. You can access Learn on our LibGuides. Please go to the proxy, https://proxy.learn.net, and here you will go to where it says to start typing your institution's name. You type in Allen University, and the school name should appear. You click on Allen University, and it will bring up the Allen University proxy. Here you will see all the specific groups and subjects for Learn. Learn is a database of databases, and you can come here to find all types of information, articles, videos in different subjects. As you can see, as I scroll down, we have different subjects like dental, you have education, interdisciplinary, health and medical, history and social science, language and literature, library science, law, etc. There are dozens and dozens of databases that you can use. Now, if you know what specific group that you are looking for, or you're looking for particular information, for example, if you're a business major, you can click here on business, and it will go to databases here in the business section. We have 10 databases that you can access. One of the most popular databases is Gale. Another one is ABI Inform. Any of these databases, including ProQuest, you can use to find articles and information about different topics. So I'm going to give you an example. If we click on ProQuest Central, it will take us to ProQuest Central. If you are doing some articles or doing some information or research on a particular topic, for example, marketing in African American communities. I'm clicking on the search, and it gives me 163,000 results. That's a lot of results. So what should we do to narrow it down? We can click here on full text, and they will narrow it down to 148,000. We can click here on peer reviewed. That narrows it down to 26,000. So let's say we want magazines, or we can narrow it down by publication date. It goes as far back as 1946 and 2019. That's decades of information. So let's narrow this down by moving this bar, and we're going to narrow it maybe to, let's say, 2010 to 2019, and we're going to click here on update, and we have now 14,000. So we can also do document type. You can do articles, reviews, reports, publication type, what publication you would like to read the articles out of. You can also do a subject, company, organization, location, person, and also language. These are the languages that these articles are in. And you also can click on database, and you can find more information in other databases on your topic. So it's a wealth of information. It's just a matter of you narrowing it down. So let's say you found some information that you want to look at. Now we clicked on full text. So I would click here on full text. This is an article on marketing cigars and cigarillos to African American communities. So if you want the full text, we can click here on full text PDF. We have the references here. If you want to look at the abstract and details, this gives you a highlight of the different subjects, African Americans and marketing. This is the name of the journal. It tells you what issue, how many pages it is, and the publication date. Now, if you need to download it, you can come here and download the PDF. You can cite it. Click on Cite. It'll come up with APA, or if you want to change it, you can change it to AMA. You can change it to APA, Chicago, whichever citation your professor prefers. You can also email it to yourself. You can type in the email address, your name, and subject. You can click on Save if you like to save it. And you can also print it. You can print it to any of our printers here at Flipper Library or at home. So that's an example of how to use our ProQuest or Lirn databases. Now remember, you will have to use your code. If you want to use the Lirn username is 19162 and the password is wildmonth93, WILDMONTH93. So that was how you access the Lirn database. If you have any questions, my name again is Sloan Clark. I'm the reference and instruction librarian here at Flipper Library, and I and other librarians are here to help you. Thank you and have a nice day.